Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show South Africa Daily Lotto prediction for Tuesday, 18 November 2025. Today's Daily Lotto single prediction numbers: number 8, number 10, number 19, number 27, number 33. Today's Daily Lotto single prediction number repeat: number 8, number 10, number 19, number 27, number 33. Now yesterday Lotto second prediction numbers: number 1, number 4, number 20, number 35. Number today yesterday Lotto second prediction number repeat: number 1, number 4, number 20, number 24, number 35. So friends, complete today South Africa Daily Lotto prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for next draw.